Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW A70, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store and typing in Magic Fluids in the search bar. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to tap on those three dots at the bottom right corner. From here, select Settings and tap on I accept in this pop-up. Now you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish though. When you're ready, you need to click on the top right corner and then bottom one again. This time, from here, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and tap on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. As you can see after that, when I click Home button, wallpaper of my BLACKVIEW has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!